Dinosaurs thrived for more than 180 million years until an asteroid struck the Earth and wiped out life. Or did it? But that's a topic for another day. Many marine groups and land-based animals survived the Cretaceous-Tertiary mass extinction, also known as the KT boundary, whereas the majority of Earth's life perished. If you've ever wondered what life was like before or during the reign of the dinosaurs, here are some of the animals whose forefathers strolled alongside the world's most terrifying predators, the dinosaurs. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 1. Crocodiles. Number 1 in our list is the crocodiles. The crocodilian is the closest living creature to a dinosaur. You may be aware that the world was once populated by dinosaurs, but did you realize that crocodiles were also plentiful 99 million years ago? That's correct. The animals, including crocodiles, have lived on the planet for more than 240 million years. Sarcosuchus, Dryosaurus, Dinosuchus, shield croc, and other huge crocs lived throughout the Cretaceous period, which must have been a scary time. Number 2. Snakes. Crocs weren't the only reptiles to escape the extinction of the dinosaurs. Snakes did as well. They made it out of the dinosaur age alive and well, and survived to tell the tale. Snakes first appeared between 140 and 167 million years ago, putting them right in the heart of the dinosaur epoch, when the enormous creatures reigned supreme on land as some of the most ferocious and dangerous predators. They didn't just dwell amid dinosaurs, they also ate their offspring. Number 3 in our list is the bees. When dinosaurs roamed the earth, buzzing bees were alive and stinging. They are thought to have initially appeared about the time the earliest flowering plants began to bloom during the Cretaceous period, give or take a few million years. However, we don't know for sure how bees crossed the KT border because of their weak fossil record, but a 2013 study of carpenter bees implies that bee populations experienced a mass extinction as well. Number 4 in our list is the sharks. You had to have seen this one coming, right? These oceanic predators that haunt your nightmares have lived in the oceans for almost 450 million years, long before dinosaurs even existed, and have survived 4 of the 5 major extinction events. It's hard to believe now, but they were likely prey to the massive Spinosaurus aegyptiacus during the Cretaceous period, but they flourished and thrived when the dinosaurs went out. Next is the horseshoe crabs. Number 5 in our list is the horseshoe crabs. Horseshoe crabs are called living fossils for a reason. They evolve considerably more slowly than other species. Thus, their current shape is nearly identical to what it would have been millions of years ago. Horseshoe crabs have evolved into among of nature's most resilient creatures. Like sharks, they've survived at least 4 of the Earth's most devastating extinction events, including the KT catastrophe, which wiped out most dinosaur life on the planet. Number 6 in our list is the sea stars. Sea stars, urchins, and marine cucumbers were all kicking it with sea-dwelling dinosaurs back in the day. From the early Jurassic to the early Cretaceous, the extinct genus Pentasterius swam alongside deep-sea dinosaurs. With 5 limbs and a mouth in the middle of its underbelly, it looked a lot like a current starfish. Its fossils have been discovered in Europe, so look for them on your next beach trip. Lobsters are number 7 on our list. Lobsters' forefathers had 6 long claws and 4 eyes, and they roamed the waters more than 500 million years ago, long before dinosaurs. They are, as far as we know, the world's oldest giant filter feeders, belonging to the Anomalocarididae family, which modern crustaceans refer to as their great-great-grannies and granddads. Next in our list is the duck-billed platypus. The duck-billed platypus is one of just 2 monotreme, egg-laying mammal species still alive today, dating back to the Triassic period 210 million years ago. Platypuses lived throughout the Jurassic period, according to scientists who found this in 2008. They lived around the same period as echidnas, who are still living now, and during a time when mammals were becoming more common. Number 9 in our list is the green sea turtles. The earliest marine turtles are thought to have arrived during the Jurassic period, but sea turtles did not evolve until the Cretaceous period 100 million years ago. Turtles coexisted with dinosaurs until 65 million years ago, when they became extinct. These turtles belong to the Archelon genus of prehistoric reptiles, which is closely linked to the leatherback sea turtles we see today. Last but not the least is the cockroaches. Cockroaches survived the Great Dying Period, which occurred between the Permian and Triassic periods, and there's no way to get rid of them. They were one of the most dominating species some 360 million years ago, or 112 million years before dinosaurs during the Carboniferous epoch, when they were nearly twice as massive as they are now. That is the 10 ancient animals that coexisted with dinosaurs. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe for you to not miss anything. Thank you and see you in the next video.